Ever wish you had a toy hauler that fits your lifestyle and your garage? I think this one will. This is the 2026 TH18. Let's go check it out. This is a compact powerhouse designed for easy storage, confident towing, and big adventures. Let's kick things off with a rapid look at the top 3 upgrades. The electrical awning for instant outdoor living, the 8 cubic foot double door refrigerator freezer for serious food storage, and the 13,500 BTU air conditioner to keep you cool wherever you roam. From the outside, it stretches 22 feet long and stands just 11 feet tall, built to fit under a standard 11.5 foot carport. The 7-foot sidewalls and 8-foot width keep it nimble and garage friendly, a feature we can always customize for our customers. Pewter corrugated aluminum siding means lightweight durability, while the ground clearance at 24 inches is dialed for trail access without towering over your storage spot. The hitch weight is balanced for half-ton trucks at 890, and outside access storage lets you grab gear fast. The rear ramp is sized for a trail model side-by-side, no squeezing or scraping. Starting at the passenger side, you'll notice the streamlined profile and electric awning. This design maximizes outdoor living space without exceeding width limits, so you can relax in the shade right next to your rig. There's storage and a propane grill hookup for an easy barbecue. The full width ramp is all about easy loading, no awkward angles, just roll in your side-by-side and go. You also have a backup camera up high so you can see what's behind you. On the driver's side, utilities and hookups are tucked in tight, keeping everything accessible but out of the way. An outdoor shower is always fun with this easy hookup. The aerodynamic nose and balanced tongue weight means stable, stress-free towing with your half-ton truck. Up top, the low and flat roofline is intentional, fitting under most garage openings and still allowing for rooftop solar and vents. Now let's open it up. With the ramp down and the awning extended, it transforms. Your garage becomes a patio, and the living space feels twice as big. Starting at the rear ramp, you have enough space for a small side-by-side or motorcycles. There's a single electric bed on a 67-inch rail system that drops down at the touch of a button. Sleeps 2 comfortably without wrestling with or folding furniture. You can load your side-by-side without worrying about space or stability. Moving forward, the kitchen features the upgraded 8 cubic foot double door refrigerator freezer, plenty of room for meals, snacks, and drinks, so you can stay out longer without constant grocery runs. The bathroom is compact but complete, offering privacy and comfort without eating up floor space. You can haul, cook, and eat all without compromise. Under the skin, the dry weight is optimized for half-ton towing at 4,755 pounds, a payload capacity of 2,745, and GVWR at 7,500. It has a robust steel frame and dual axles for stability. The 13.5K BTU air conditioner keeps the interior cool, while solar prep and ample battery storage mean you can stay off-grid longer. Fresh gray and black tanks are sized for weekend getaways, and the HVAC system ensures year-round comfort. Picture this: you roll up to the trailhead, unload your side-by-side with zero hassle, kick back under the awning, and enjoy a cold drink from your full-size fridge, all while knowing your trailer fits perfectly at home and on the road. Its open and easy, wide ramp, clear path, and electric features make setup effortless. It hauls your toys with confidence, purpose-built for a trail model side-by-side. It's fully livable for weekends or short trips, equipped with everything you need to stay comfortable. It's solar ready with efficient systems that keep you powered up off-grid. It's built for compact storage owners, weekend adventurers, or anyone who wants big capability in a small footprint. If you want to build your own, just go to dunesport.com, give us a call at 480-357-3863, or swing by Dune Sport here in Arizona. Ask for Rodney. He designed this one. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.